Morning, one and all. This is Yashwan, BA second year. Today, I would like to speak on some issues in our life where how can we overcome such kind of tragedies if we lost any closest person in our lives. Uh, how we can overcome the feeling in how can we build up ourselves and how can we go ahead. So, on this topic, I would like to speak today. um, the most important thing we should do when we lost someone, or even most of us youth have lot of breakups. Even that is one of the biggest tragedy at our age, and at this point of time where lot of students get depressed on the situations, and they think the life is over. They think he can't do anything in future. So for these kind of students, or not only students, and even for elders also, when we lost anyone very close to us, it is like there is a very good technique where lot of successful people did it. So here I would like to say the most important thing is we should follow our passion, and we should change our mind into the interest where we into our professions, and we should dedicate our complete focus into one thing where we want to develop in life. One such kind of example I would like to give, and that is he is none other than we in Andhra and Telangana we call him as Annagaru, senior NTR. What happened is in his life also there is one of the biggest tragedy where he lost his first son while he was in the shooting. What he did is he simply diverted his concentration completely onto the movies where just only listening the stories. He has given the dates, he has given dates to the producers and writers, everyone, and he completely dedicated on the movies, and where he don't even have a time to make a makeup also. That much how he was dedicated towards his goal ambition, and his main goal, we see him as an actor. He want to become a good actor in is not the goal of him. His goal is that someday in future after his death, or the Telugu cinema industry must be in the position where world must be impressed on the works of Telugu cinema industry. That the point he kept as a goal, and he worked day and night, completely dedicated his life on to the cinema, where that's because like he don't want to depressed where he lost his son in an accident. So that's the reason he completely went into movies, and uh, if we do such kind of things, there will be when we follow our complete passion and dedicate to our life to it, there will be that leads to impossible things to do in that specific profession. Example, when NTR did that kind of thing, he in a historic, even till today, no producer like Rajmouli Shankar, and we have some top most producers at present days. Even they also can't do this kind of thing where NTR did it. One role, one actor did three characters: Krishna, Karna, and Duryodhana in the movie Dana Veera Surakarna. He made the movie in just 43 days. Uh, he is the producer, he is the director, and with the three leading roles. And finally, in that movie, he made a special attraction with the debut with Dushyasana and Bhanumati, where even today also movies, nobody will care about the villain's love story. Like in Mahabharata, if you take Dushyasana, means Duryodhana, another name. They don't who is we call a villain of Mahabharata and eldest of Kauravas. Uh, planned a duet between him and his wife. Like even no, till that date, even today, no one has did such kind of. That is the be the special attraction of that movie, and that's one of the greatest things done by him, when he completely diverted his concentration onto the movies. And another such good example is that mm, he's one of my favorite person, Ratan Tata. Even Ratan Tata has, when he was in a student life. I mean, at this point, every student must remember this point, and it's very important. Even he's in his student age, when he studied in United States, he have been in love with some British girl, but she's very unfortunate to have him in rest of her life. She rejected him somehow, and that guy finally he came to India, and he completely changed his concentration onto the business. And today we know where is the Tata Industries. In last since 1990s, he had taken over the Tata empire into his hands, and finally he made a world's number one in the best brand Tata Industries are. So this is one of the good example. Like, he did not depress that he lost his love, he lost everything. He just simply changed his concentration onto the business, and he made miracles in business world today. And one of the leading corporate kings in India, Mr. Ratan Tata ji. So we should take all our students must take inspiration on him in this way. If anybody, and his story is very inspiring for such kind for some people like me who is love failures. So I literally take this thing, what Ratan Tata did is very I always keep in mind. He simply changed his concentration and went ahead and did miracles in his life. And one such another incident is, like, we all know, king of cricket, he is none other than Sachin Tendulkar. When his father is in last stage of that, also he played a I didn't remember the year, but he played a very good game, and he made India won. By the time his father already died. But here thing I'm saying is, he did not bother that he did not get replaced. Even his father is position is also critical. He simply concentrated on his game, and he moved ahead, and finally he got success. So what I want to convey here is, if you have any kind of tragedies, like we are humans, we will have tragedies at any point of time. So it's we should not get depressed with the tragedies, and we should not get disturbed. It's just thing is, we should completely change our mind to the thing where we are interested in. And changing means, it's not like as we regularly do. We should completely dedicate only for that thing in to do things. So if we do such kind of things, finally we will achieve big things, and we can also overcome the pain we feel in our heart. So there's a thing I would like to convey today. Thank you.
Very nice, Yashwant. Again, a very nice topic. This on the sense of loss that human beings can go through, and very nicely you brought out. It can be physical loss, which can cause a lot of distress, trauma, shock, grief. That is one kind, and then where you related to younger generation, it can come from a heartbreak. It can come from any kind of anguish, torment, any of those kind of things. And the three examples that you gave to substantiate this feeling of sense of loss and how people can overcome it, whether it was NTR or Ratan Tata or Sachin Tendulkar, very nice examples also. Again, my advice would be, you have that confidence and your presentation skills are good. Just concentrate on accuracy of language now, because I think your fluency, you're able to use the language very confidently, but small grammatical errors. I think one was Sachin Tendulkar winning one, that the use of win is something that I heard.
I think one thing I think we share.
I don't know, you're the wrong use of tense. That's because you are fluent, you are presenting extempore from your heart. So these things do happen. So just now you've been working on your fluency and your self-confidence, which is fine. Now concentrate on accuracy so that you don't make these little grammatical, because pronunciation wise you're fine. So it is like grammatical errors which we tend to make, that little tense thing. Just concentrate on it. Otherwise, it
Sure,
was
ma'am.
nice and a very nice topic, sense of loss. And I like the examples that you gave from a variety of fields. One was an industrialist, one was a movie star, and one was a cricket player. So you have covered all the very important aspects of what a human being looks forward in life. Very good, Yashwant. Very nicely thoughtful presentation. Suchitra ma'am?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Yashwant, again,
Ma'am.
you have come up with a very nice topic, which is important for every one of us, because at some point of time in our life, we may lose our near and dear ones, and how we need to bounce back into our normal life. Very beautifully you have brought it, and you are very articulated. And as ma'am said, yes, a little bit of grammatical errors. And what I would say is that you have achieved a greater part of your presentation skills. That is your self-confidence, the way you present, the central idea, the main points that you bring and all. But as I told you, now your role should be of concentrating on the little errors that you make and making your vocabulary rich, right? And my only suggestion with you is, with your examples, I think you can arrange the whole presentation a little tighter,
Okay, ma'am.
little more tighter, right? You
I
got
will
my
make
point?
it.
Yeah,
Yes,
a
I
little
got it.
tighter. That I mean, it can make you progress in your way of presentation, because you have achieved all the basic preliminary things that you need for a presentation. So now we are giving you advice only where you can become much more better in your presentations. Otherwise, excellent topic, and as ma'am said, your examples were really very nice. Thank you very much. Bangla, ma'am?
Yes, ma. I have nothing to add. They have all given. Anita madam gave about everything and overall view of the content, and Suchitra ma'am about the little grammar and the presentation. Yeah, I agree with Suchitra ma'am. You can tighten or make it crisp. For that, cue cards will definitely help, ma. Cue card
Sure,
is a
ma'am.
small kind of a card where you write the intro, first point, second point, NTR's example, third point, Ratan Tata's example, fourth one, Sachin. In the second
Yes, ma'am.
point, NTR, what is it that you want to focus on? So make it crisp. If the card is there, you know you're not wavering, and you set
Okay,
a
ma'am.
time limit, 2 minutes for this, 1 minute for this. So you will see
Okay,
that
ma'am.
when you're exceeding the time, you know. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
this comes
Okay,
with a
ma'am.
little bit of practice of public presentation. So very well done. Good luck. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.